Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Gihok Distilleries.
Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso.
Ghana muntie na fedi krom aye de ye de dwumadi foforo abebom abo friend Fufuo Wo Krom a tokru biara Ghana aduan pashen ye be kire wachi kwan amwako pebi na ne dwumadi kuran ene your one and only IBK the food marshal nana kwabna bedi akon entwida akon oprekese jana di ofiti kroti ana ne ho eje fibinin IBK the food marshal odunkuto no okura international location system code a ye de hwehwe aduan achi kwan na useden uni food marshal nana kwabna bedi akon entwi da akodwumadi a wo friend Fufuo Wo Krom enanto na obehu say you nuampa akɔhye tokrum Fufuo Wo Krom you aha na eboso de ne
Granny bidi ya o singo mi pakpa agranti ya na sadowa akupe sumunam ye wo me panga bunu kati kutu.
Hello Ghana, wafadie wati asia meka wafawana na I to the B to the K, the only food marshal in the whole wide world. Me and I'm a chow baby a bosso a bani fufudia na si ajiatum sa me nsan ase a hono na yase anyin tumu ene ya be piem wo new achimota 22 10 street new achimota ya wo this kitchen eho na e bosso eho na ope fufu dia e ye fie fufuo papa ya wo de tintim me kire tumfa nkwan horo bia ho menua come home, let's get inside and check what it there. They say something there inside. When we get inside, we go see what there inside. Let's go with me. So there no garbage in, garbage out. Inside the above and through, you have to check it. What is inside the wagon? Right, it's your landing. Our park, so we are inside Doctor's kitchen. Orikodo is going down. Fufuo Wo Krom, I can't catch yourself. Nemo baby a boss no. Honor me, the food marshal, what for one, aka I to the B to the K, Metro. You better test you are. We say brothers are set it. Guests is what set it. Individuals and a rasta for you now, fantastically so. My antum kwacha. Yantum kwacha. When who say rasta tintian ho febi or where digital rasta. We hear rasta anymore. Rasta for the common pen number brave. Fantastic. Wow. Big boss, I greet you, sir. Bibi aboko. You. Minyana, me unsa oye eja rasta. What's your nice name? Would you answer this?
Ex-Bowlers Entertainment.
Ex-Bowlers Entertainment. I'm sure you be a rapper now, you event person.
Oh no, me event. Say me know you are going to my.
Me share also that. You boy Juma che. Na minim say that how did you how? Oba
every Fridays.
Oba this kitchen.
Yeah, me free mocks banana.
No abaha. Mami Musao. At the end, ma did you a Dogger's kitchen? Now did you other places?
Okay, almost settings in here.
What settings are there? Settings being
spices need the all money.
Now you've been so open fufu.
What you say?
Open fufu.
But Fridays na middle.
Okay, fufu no open. Who did Fridays? Now who do fufu? Do you like cassava fufu, banchi fufu, meche body fufu, menken, but an upper combination of the two. Meche body and banchi.
Combination in
opening na. Right. And then who say unkwane so ayefe. I can see your protein. You have a little fish. And adem biom. And adem biom. And a ponchi. Tinkwan ben ginger wom. And I'm them. Fantastic. But as we are still inside this kitchen and it's going down. I mean, we are engaging the foodies around here, the people that makes it happen. What you say? Mani mema feeling here bempa. But we say, sister, beautiful and Fabian Sotia. Otishem, Oteneguna, no Atuneham, Oteneguna, no Atuneham. It's also Yanini Ninkomania here. What is inside the wagon? For me. Na Michelle, we are crazy. But my own say, I'm so well. Now we are tilapia when I can say, we are upon China. Oje tilapia tea. Nina ponchi money. Nina ponchi ankasa. Mami Musa, who you be a Oshada Fufuo? Hey, And yes, sir, Modi Fufuo Airport. A honey Wo Krom. As a when you Fufu and no brother. As a Mudian Pessia Grand, you may so the Fufu Kakawano. Now Fufu open them run answer open an ending and open on your hole.
Okay, Diana.
Why am I fine? Fantastic. That's a Mako. What Kenyano?
And quite a sweat double hall. I have to dear. Who feeling me a man, yet be an empty. You in Peruvian and one other Roman.
Auntie, how many times they are to me Fufu in a week? Would it be? Fantastic. And I dear back on some of my parents say, I have clean pa, I have a hatty pa. And when I can make on, such can be put out, say, sir, impending fight, you know. Unkwana, Udiana, say, when your lawyer be or support you.
Because Unkwana, then, say, me don't any be our system.
Now I say, Unya offer appetizer, how do you money, but for appetizer, offer 2 shots. And you turn with her. Fantastic. Into this kitchen there, a bossu. I had a bossu. Obienti. Fantastic. So be per se or different can be trained, mammy. Shah, na catch room no mutoma, what bridge, Ghana baby, on bank. Fantastic. Sanity.
And I have to prema for never.
A prema for Nescafo. Aha, Nancy. What's a Musa? Who's it? What's them to say? Attach your worry. Sanity inside. Aha, Mama Su didn't be able to say. Sawatos, we are contractor. And I said, Nana. Fantastic. Ubosi. Now, my house are what premeni. Me come to head a good come cry. Sanity, you are the phone you'll be on. Observe, I don't think Sister Nana and didn't come on what you say. Or say, Kakumosia to Nikon, or say, on a bunny fufu. When it comes to eating a local food, especially fufu, he gets to know other place than right here at Doka's kitchen. And Tinunia, you can't get it twisted. Unia gro table no so set where you posh table from kwa member of Chrome. These are proper men. Big bosses, I they greet you. Damn a feeling. Was I no about soon crown my yada? We go speak pitching. But pitching be okay. Papa, make I ask you, you register for your beard. So you not join the Beer Association of Ghana. No, after a year you foresee me. Then when a chairman be President Rollins, the late, as he go, he left me, Okovanda Point and the rest. So you go join us. Big boss, I beg, what be your name? Jeffrey, I can see you enjoying your fufu. Are you somebody who really like fufu a lot? Okay, when it comes to fufu, do you like the cassava one, the plantain, strictly cocoa yam, or you like the combination of the two, yam, cassava, and then plantain? Everything some. Make I also ask, if you chop your fufu, which accompaniment you they like take box some? When I say I got the soup, which one? It be a bear, peanut, ebunu katikonto bear. You don't make some only strictly a bear. And your protein, how do you like it? I can see fish assorted. This one they call them zoo, because everything there inside. So, why does it say you the nyama with kwasia? You the nyama assist and kwasia for anybody. You like kwasia power. If you put on, you the big butter. I tell you, Charlie Maji, boss man. As you say, something's happening for the cup inside. You start or you are yet to start. Where we or you the warm up. Take go face some. So today, what you go chop? What you go chop today? Some no, no. So me say the table no. I say sister they chop live soup. Where brother too they enjoy some live soup. But this side we are bare. Fantastic, Papa. You the chop fufu. I want to ask, what be your favorite place you the chop your fufu for? What it make you they come chop for this kitchen? For tell me, what be the secret way they? You they like the abe rough off, eh? You they like the abe? But I know ask the name. I beg forgive me. What be your name? Ben. Senior, I beg. What be your name? Simon. And bro, your side. Baba, fantastic. Charlie, as you say, guys, you be real G's. Madam, what be your name? Tina. By the way, your lip is small. The fufu the fee enter. Table nice for I go be like you for the pot inside. Boss man, I see a lot of protein for top. How you like your fufu, soft or hard? Soft. Soft. Like something else. Why I like them soft? Like if you chop plenty. All right. Respect. But how many years or how long have you been eating here for this kitchen? It keeps small. Some 3 years. Oh, nice one. I'm sure 40 Egusu did you know your this kitchen a koso. What you say? Me catch you say a bani fufu. Enya baby ani didi. Ubedi dia one. Esa o share environment no. Baby ubedi fufu no. Esa honey very clean. Now share environment. I'll check out this kitchen. Once higher clean. If you be any table no so clean. O share the personalities of people who are eating here. It comes in mind. Say you can't go wrong when you come here. In Quinlan so a bossu, a sisu, na a dem. What you say? This is yours truly for one. IBK, the food marshal one. Jack Yebuso. Now, if I say a engagement, kakrebi wa. What you say? Me who say table be. Omo bo Obiba JK. On Acropions versus the Red Lions. Now match na koso wa no Jack. Ese wani en so kanche. Abranti ani e kama ene rebi so broni papa. We don't say I'm going to Ghana. Oyema, we are Ghana ni. Hey, what a tree? Make sure watch me because I want a tree. Oh, you got Ghanaian. What a country pa? We are there. What's a form of fair? What's a some mudi fufu? And mo pe by the fufu. And I'm mudi banchi there. Body and a body uncle. Now, banchi body and a door soon. And then when you actually. Some people who say, me jafu, was so general. Wadaroma, Udianga Sangasa the same. John, you, also a president of Ghana. I said John for any year. That should be Zubedivi. John, the shower dear so fair. Na Mami Musau, I didn't when the deal chop baby now decided say this kitchen na ubedidi. Secret in here then.
When they more organic. And I walk for machine.
If you fufu, you want to team tumfa. Fantastic. When you hear more answer, Pam Ramon. I am not such a must say. What idea bank one power? Or if you also power bank one. Oh, that on any Ramon here. Almost a pound, but your bank was watching tea. Or many months I've been watching quite. Unia, the number and now Jim who say Gususa, foot in France, to Tudin. Hey, to the fish kakra, Yamadia kakra, Aponchi kakra, na Odidian beef kakra, and a Yama kakra and Kuma kakra, and a Beno, you're mixing and away a bet direct. This bay. Tuesday, okay, now check your timetable. Mami Musau, what's your reason for deciding to eat from this joint, this kitchen? Now I'm going near that location. And how long have you been eating from here too?
We are very hygienic.
In the Hanokra environment, in the buy, I can testify.
If I can get a home vibe here.
To buy so I will home vibe, no. Internet, wife things so bad.
Aha ne bosso, fufuo wo krom. Aha ne bosso, fufuo wo krom. Aha ne bosso, fufuo wo krom. Aha Fufuo Wo Krom, fufu ai, obiara bi fufu ai. Achem fu kwa fu akuya pem fu bi se obiara bi fufu ai.
Eguswa on this kitchen, what you say? Ekoso. We dey memua betre heavy men. Jack, Mayada Mubuta, when you are working there, we are penny and I wear kakra, and I wear kakra and I wear penny, and I wear friends and friends. Proud is a Kufia senior announcement. Hey, Clinton, who now the quote to be front to one another. Fantastic. Unia, first time we do this kitchen, I'm tidy do first Unia na de obaha. Yo, Unia na obaha. Aduane bempa na fufuo no amon kwan ben na otai dipa live soup na kokko dia na ponche dia na oya no futum France aponche we aponche kwan na fish kakra red fish back on emuye na on try on other soups na apart from live soup no na udi aben kwan betre no so heavy pa na fufuo no mudi wi a amonom kwan no because very mad I saw very mad you did we are no kwan e ma wo be magina na sipi na sita and I say e ma wo boro hye what is anko one da ja etiro abani fufuo dia sana mudi ne kwan so aro no inye ebusuafo eguso a ya bad engine room what I say baby I produce fufuo na friend production room manufacturing we fufuo na nya machine dey we handmade what I say wadro ene woma ye kotumfa wo dey tum tie fa tum fa etie fie e Doctor's kitchen na nkwan no asort bibi akoso bia no wo ba so fa test ne ye no ansan ye dia akoso A7 crofo etie ne ye ni komo kakra me ni menu aba na ogina mukasi kitchen no ojeje nkwan na chi no oye ma na wo so di ni de say Antiakuya na enwa na dawza no enwa na ebu nipa na o hima hinza no yo fantastic mami musamu Doctor's kitchen fufuo ene dia na mo wa Ewa Ghana have a dia this kitchen dey na fantastic nice of them na enen kwan ena ye fiada ene fufuo no me se fufuo na LED ansa na anuane akaba so me ne kofa kasa wo me se obi atwe ayi aponche nkrakra akokọ nkrakra se no me ade na enen kwan ba na edi ahim wo kitchen ha yo wada romantic for ni akwa na masipa ene ye wa aben kwan papa Friday. So that Friday special. Ntaben kwa na number, put your number na wo mne. Friday akoko special. It's akoko mesa wo. We nya akoko check. Enye of course the enemy. Fantastic. And high. Aponche nkrakra. Mete sentina meba aponche no osaya na se apapo. Yensa no apapo. Eti na mete sentina o gate na no. Eze ayi when you Doctor's mama ka tete no na utwam wo fie bi mu a da bia bade se fie we da bia se aponche nkwan se trick kakra wo ya na mo cha papo na pampam no no ma wo hura gu nkwan nim ya sent ne kaka na ote endo ya papo yenko so wa ya de yenko efie di fie Matias ye aponche kaka ne ye ko nkru da bi nkwan ni nwie yenko se ho cha me nkwan na bi wase ho wo ye salmon fish salmon fresh to we salmon nko salmon And now if you want to was near there. Tilapia.
Tilapia soup. Come.
That's a tip, you know, tilapia.
Yeah, we are for a light soup, no, dear,
okay. In command, I was at them in our a number and number, cut my cut off 2 fingers, me who tolo beef. And I don't know. Nanchina, I don't say Nanchinam day. Angaza. Nanchinam, Angaza. Will fantastic. And I know actually a reserve now. Where are reserve? I drink wine. That's about putting me and quite 8 a day. Nanequia, we are popular power. How? Obiana Nanequia. And then oh, your mom board inside. When I'm sitting now, I am.
But the year may smart to be.
What's a view when you must say, most restaurant. No, some team anymore. Hapa. Now, man, no selections, no more than we are done a more selection, money now behind the back, sir. And I know I can catch you. No, so crown, no, what to. And I know I'm going to thank for her. And then I'm going to check customers about. As you young, my papa's no more several. Piao, and now you're heavy. Obia, you'll be as you are before, so a humanity, a jatoda. Sawa, a taxi. Now it's almost shut down. I said, you are any problem, you know, what you be not yara. Until a bassa, we are there.
Oh, Michelle also.
What's saying?
Like Okasa, like my camera.
So we are not Obusan saying. But you must make me a Kasaka. Why are dear? No, I don't know what you are with him. Yet, Shremo. Nice, Madame, Mobabia, you train him, send a money customers back as a money idea. Why are dear, Anticoso? Until the man watch our own senior citizen. Auntie Magadia, Magada, our farm, who present Magada, the Penamoyan, who's there? Who manufacturer? No size. Now, didn't I was Magada? Magada him. Aya, Nanunya way. Unya said nickname, didn't we? One at the two. One at the two. The customers in the Magada. Now you're mouth, these are.
Oh, Mr. Wom, come on.
Because who fans, Rodo? Me care one meeting, Tissa fans, they cost so. Some at the time, number some do real. Why are you made how many years in it?
I joined them, I am more than 20 years.
Fantastic. Now, only Omamian auntie, how many years?
20 years.
Hey, it's nice. I do a man of a chassis. Sippy.
Yeah.
And in Magada.
Yeah.
Magadan swamp. And yeah, they are Magadon.
Nakakaturu yebe mami njene kakra ebedi. Aha ne bosso Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso Fufuo Wo Krom.
Wow, too much. When your friend Mama Mia, what I say? We're friend of Angaza. I think I'm not maybe Tia Kwam. They say no dear, say me ma kodi ani go. Wow. Fighting a woman you know. Say me ya kodi ani nyina go because this fight it go over me, but for over. And the only day over there. Oh. Me manunyu intino. Esa me protect him in target. Ntuko ura Chinese restaurant and Italian restaurant. Yama wa dia gu kom. Ghana dia. Me da manunyu me di gu me home. I say baby no. Me di dia gum. Afei me wie no na me yi bibia me yi akode ani nyina agu ho. Na cleanliness you know is next to godliness. Ti na me ho me sa na bibia anya kama. Oba Fufuo no call the other side mama. Na jira ho enko ba bia afei woni nsuo mama. Woni nsuo na me ho me sa woni nsuo agusu. Me yi fini nyina say you clean. We a scentless soap. You have perfume soap. I was royal, sir. Yes, I bet you they use scentless soap. Scentless. I really know. How much weight here? Chelsea versus Arsenal. Chelsea be winning match, you know. Now I make a statement, Joe. There's one thing. If you have to say over the year, it's a sip a glass or two. Sip it from a glass, one sip or two of water. Now avoid digestion. That's the healthy way of eating. When you be out the year, get 12, send a more than not digesting. Various here. I've been married in this anno. In Tokaway, this fight, I can't go alone with my naked eyes. I need an appetizer to enhance me on that journey. And to men day, I'll bet me a shot or two. And a bad idea. But I mean to me this a shot or two. Masuma. Miana me and sana medi. Miana metro and sana ma. Cheers to Fufuo Wo Krom. A shot or two is not bad. For French in culture say bon appetit. Now what you say merci. And you merci but merci. And tell you more heaven no. Bon appetit me who he want unya na nka aye me. Ya enko. Afa yes. Anya nkuma kaka no apoto na frankwan no. Wo Krom. Look up. Where I go conquine. I want a salmon fresh live soup. To it to France. That's it. Manu you to them class be dia gum. Why say baby no? ADBY. Give them to them for one per month. As I food as I come and come and say, at long last, the battle has ended. As a Ghana, my beloved country, yeah, is free forever. You come on, can say, you see, put attrition there, give us the quatriqua. What do you say? As you say, quatritua, for chopsticks is so. Now, what do you know, my dear Niache? The fufu. When I Africa. ADBY. I'm not going to Hanam Jimbosi. I'll come your way next week. Same time. Now my show location, you know. Pass here. No one Somali. And yeah, see you later. Catch it. Fufu ai, obiara bi fufu ai. Achem fufu kwa fufu ekuyapem fo bi se obiara bi fufu ai. Yepe fufu ai, asante fu bi fufu ai. No fufu Ghana mang na bi se obiara bi fufu ai. Ye burade ye fufu, ye bedi. Ba ye fufu, ye bedi. Mengen fufu. Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Ghanaian Distilleries.